Hi folks, this is Cesar from Aerial Videos and Photos. So today I just gonna do a quick demonstration of this light right here. It's the STARTRC Drone Search Light. The question is it worth it? Well, you're about to find out. So before we jump into the video, a couple of things you should know about this light. You're going to need a GoPro mounting bracket. It does not come with it. This light is about 50 grams, so no worries about the weight factor. Is very light, despite the fact that it's rechargeable. So you have to do is comes with a cable, plug it in, charge it. I believe it will last you about an hour. And finally, a couple of modes that you should know that comes with the light. If you just press the button right on the top, it's the power button. If you press that, that's the standard mode. That's the mode that I'm going to be using to fly and get the demonstration today. If you click it again, it's almost like a faded mode. And then there's the blinking mode. I don't know why will you use it. And then if you hold the power button for about 3 seconds, it's the SOS mode. So I will provide my thoughts and input about this light at the end of this video. Enough talking about it. Here is the video. So what are my final thoughts about this light? I think it's okay. I was not impressed, and I don't believe it's something that I would probably use. I think the biggest issue with this light is that the focal point and the view was too narrow. I wish they have an option to be able to make it wider, and that way you could see more. But because of the focal point, it's very limited what you could see, especially at nighttime. So anyway, I will provide a link to the light in case you want to order one and do your own testing. And I appreciate if you like and subscribe to this video. And until next time, I'll see you then.